the keyword cannibalization is one of the things that I see crop up a lot of time in SEO campaigns, and it's definitely something that needs addressing. One way of finding cannibalization is by going to Google Search Console. I'm going to use my own site for this, which has been neglected somewhat, but we do have a bit of data to take a look at. So if we want to find a search query that's being cannibalized by multiple URLs, which is when multiple URLs are getting impressions and or clicks for the same query, then we'd have to manually go into queries, click through them, try this one, open source SEO tools, go into pages. That one looks fine, there's only one URL, get impressions and clicks for that. We'll try freelance SEO consultant, go into pages. There are 3 different URLs getting impressions for that one search query. So that's very low level, very, very low, but it is an instance of cannibalization. So to see this on a broader overview perspective and find these cannibalization occurrences a lot easier, I'm going to use Search Analytics for Sheets. So Search Analytics for Sheets is a Google Sheets extension. So if we go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, put Search Analytics for Sheets in, install it, then it'll appear here. So if I want to do that, I've already installed it. So if I go to there, then open sidebar, and it does have a free version as well. So if I go to properties, go down to my website, I'll just keep the date range of the last few months because it's a new website, and we'll request the data there. We'll keep it on this sheet that we're on, request data. Oh, bear with me, that's not what we wanted. So we'll do it on this one. So apologies, you do have to select which groups that you want to appear from the data. So we want to see queries and pages for now. So if we do that, request data again, then we've got the full set of data, a full overview of all queries and all pages for the site. So we want to see instances where the same query is getting impressions or clicks from multiple URLs, 2 or more. So from this, let's just centralize these so the formatting's a little bit nicer. Okay, we've got list of queries, list of pages, getting impressions for. So I'll create another column here and go frequency of queries. Frequency of query. And then if we do a simple count if formula, which will be equals count if brackets range should be column A, and choose cell A2, and we'll autofill that as well, so we could just drag it down. Here we can see exactly how many times each query, just want to put a sort on it, how many times each query is appearing, so how many URLs are getting impressions for a specific query. So if we sort by Z to A, so some of these queries are, obviously these are branded, so they're less of a concern, but independent SEO consultant, 5 different URLs are getting impressions for that search query. So that could be something to address. If I don't want independent SEO consultant to appear for all 5, then I can look to change the content a bit, change the intent. Freelance SEO consultants appearing for 3 different URLs. So this is a really quick way of seeing cannibalization for queries, a quick overview.